Tiar ngut kinomi khmat na East Hills District bakantu ubakar menshela ubadeu MLA juga Henry Khliehriat constituency bad ubaderu menteri ka sarkar jela barkakong Santa Mirishela ka MLA juga Sansu Tengah Saipung hakas ngito ding ka hanyo tarik jeliu arjana posau kila Plie paidbah ya ki Henry teli ki AKA ki pyndonkam ba Khliehriat Civil Hospital ki bre ki tiar ki pyndonkam iban wan ra jimentoi berlong ke jingkarku ya ki paidbah juga district kita ki MLA kila Plie paidbah ya ka digital x-ray machine kakali kenompang ka machine sajjan ka video induce unit kitiar bentas barka conference hall ban pelong jialang ya ka digital x-ray machine ka basyong dor kumba ar penyolak tingka barka video endoscopy basyong dor kumba kat kandai lak tingka lais ngubah kum ka jino senyang da ka HDFC Bank Khliehriat ya ka machine sajjan ka basyong dor kandai lak tingka lais ngubah da ka North East Transmission Company ya ka jaka pelong jialang ne ka conference hall labai tingka da ka NHIS ya ka kali kenompang lano senyang Brais ngubah daga district mineral funding bari kitiar kam bantes saki laboratory pad lathir daga Civil Hospital Khliehriat ki bakan thup ka cardiac marker ka fertility cancer screening bat kiwi ki balaidon rangkat langha ketika program ki kenthup UDM and HO East Hills District u Dr. Dishela u branch manager ke HDFC Bank Khliehriat u Chiranjib Talukdar u sales manager u Justin Pala u MLA Barim juga Khliehriat u Justin Dekhar kirirong ba anak Khliehriat bana kiwi kishnong ki doktor ki nurse berkinong tre juga tanal kakut kakia na East Hills District.
Yeah, now we are about to start. So the OT lines programs. So that also will be functional. So once all those are set up, then we can start. We have an emergency. Yes. They realize later. But only problem is that we have yes, we have. So this will be washing the linen of the patients also, and plus this stuff. Yeah. So our plans is to implement that one day, one machine, one system. Yeah, we want to implement that. Yes, it's very important. Yeah. So even the dry meat itself, sir, the dry weight that we can put inside the dry clothes itself, 60 kilos. 60 just the dry weight, just the dry weight. At once. 60 kilos of just the dry weight.
And the wet?
And the wet will be maybe 300 something.
Who's washing all these things? Yes.
Laundry?
Yes.
The people wants to keep complaining things. What is happening within the hospital, within the district as a whole, and that is a part of life where we all have to accept it. It's not that they complain things so that we will stop doing it and will get angry with them and then stop doing it. But actually, for me, I take it in the positive side. In the positive way that when somebody complains and when somebody point fingers on us, that shows that they want us to do it. If they don't want us to do it, they'll keep quiet. They'll tell someone or maybe somebody else. Because they see that you have the capacity, you are capable of doing it, and you can do better. That's why they point fingers on you, and that's why we make things also happen. And all these things today we have witnessed. And I really would like to take this opportunity to thank all the doctors here, and all the nurses and the staff of the Civil Hospital. Thank you so much for your contribution. And no doubt, I have seen even my sister also who's working here, and my cousin, 3 of them are here, and many of them are my relatives who are present here. I have seen that how they sacrifice themselves. They leave the family, they leave the children, and then come and work here so that they can give the best service to the people of East Hills. Whatever we have, the infrastructure, people might see we have a good building, or people might see that we have the worst building. Whatever the views, that's nothing compared to the service you deliver. All these machineries is all in vain if you don't have somebody to operate it. And I have no doubt, the doctors, the nurses, the staff we are having here with us, I have seen, and I know you very well, that you are a person who really wants to contribute and then do things perfectly and correctly so that whatever you do, it will be benefits to the people, especially the patient who comes and then who comes to this hospital to get a better cure. So thank you so much. Whatever we do today is nothing, it means nothing, and it will happen nothing without your contribution. All I can say is that a big thanks to all of you for your contribution, and we look forward to get this kind of support. And from time to time, I would like to ask and then request you, if you saw any kind of things needs to be done or steps to be taken, me and Poon ask your representative from EJHD Hills, please do confirm and do let us know so that what needs to be done, so that we will try to take the best and then take this initiative and then your suggestion to take it forward and then hear it to the Chief Minister, to the Minister in charge health, or maybe different line departments, so that we can deliver the best service to our people. Otherwise, it will be all in vain, you choosing us to be the leaders or choosing us to be the representative of EJHD Hills. So all I can say, a big congratulations to all of us, and I believe that our service, our contribution, each and every one of us will be the benefits to the people of our state and the district as a whole. So I have nothing much to say. Once again, kublech poni piboro to emlang negasni, yola sekam ang pun boy am melingi. Ham chim niga hal tega negative way, take it a positive way. Iboro I kuble langi ibi.
Such a dynamic DC, because all this is because of him. He had taken the time and taken the issues to bring up all these matters, and we got all this the machines, especially the X-ray machine, the ambulance, the mechanized laundry machine, an extractor, video endoscopy unit, new laboratory equipment, and of course we are here in the conference hall. We thank you, sir, so much, and all the team of the health department. For we also, being a legislator, one of us, we really want to do something for the district, make it a better place for all of us. And of course, health has always been an issue before, and it has never been like this before also. The civil hospital, what it was before and what it was now is totally different. But now, there will be changes. As you know, there's a sanction of 17.68 crore, which the new building will be coming up. So, we are very fortunate, and we thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Konrad Kiesama for giving us the sanction, and also our Honorable Health Minister, Kong Amprin. They also have seen that we as a district, we really need the funds and to improve the health quality of our people. So therefore, they given us the sanction, and I hopefully soon that the work will begin. And we are waiting for the things to be shifted to the godown, which is still under construction. So we hope that by this sanction that we have got, 17.68 crore, we hope that things will do much better in the future. And we also hope that our doctors especially take care of these assets that you're getting, and also to serve our people. We only want that we serve our people with good mind and positive thoughts, that we should always remember that we should always put the people the first priority for us, especially being a doctor, serving God is serving the people. So therefore, we should always remember that. And I'd like to thank all the doctors also for giving hands in the department and being whatever is you are. We wish you all the very best, that we hope that you keep on working harder, strive harder for the department and for the people of our district and for the state as a whole. I will not say much, but I conclude my words that I will say that please keep on working harder. We still need you all. Remember that we as a legislator are always here for you, for any kind of issues. You can always knock on our door.
Very, how should I say, a red letter movement for the civil hospitals. With the efforts of district administration, with the efforts of the department, and with the honorable contribution from SDFC as well as NETC, we are here gathered today for inauguration of multiple instruments today. This includes X-ray, ambulance, the conference room, in the conference hall in which we are sitting as of now, the laboratory the video endoscopy system, and several other things. First of all, I'd like to thank the hospital administration, especially Dr. Sheila and Dr. Momin over here, who have been extremely enthusiastic about upgrading the civil hospital. I would also like to thank HDFC over here, who upon our request were gracious enough to donate instruments worth rupees 1 crore to the district district health infrastructure, which includes an X-ray machine, which is at par or probably better. Dr. Momin or Dr. Sheila will be able to tell better with the one which is present in Civil Hospital Shillong. If I'm not mistaken, what Dr. Momin was telling me is the same company and same model which is also generally procured in AIMS Delhi, if I'm not mistaken, correct? Thereafter, they have also donated video endoscopy system, which, ma'am and sir, if I may say, would be extremely helpful, especially since Meghalaya is also known as the cancer capital of India. Because of whatsoever reasons, the per capita incidence of cancer is extremely high over here. So video endoscopy system would be a great help for the ENT specialist over here in detecting and diagnosing the onset of cancer. Thereafter, they have also donated an ultrasound machine which has been put up in Sutinda CHC. So ma'am will have another program regarding that. Thereafter, NETC, who is not here, and under NETC we have procured, or they have donated under CSR automated washer extractor machine, so that will be extremely beneficial for infection control. During the pandemic of COVID, it has become very evident that apart from the general healthcare, infection control is extremely important to ensure that basically that within the hospital no transmission takes place.
Also, I was telling DC sir before the inauguration also that he is one deputy commissioner that I've seen understands the heartbeat of the hospital, and it is evident. And whenever I go to him, whatever I say, he always never fails to provide to the hospital. And sir, your efforts are persistent, and it is also very encouraging. And we want to thank you. The support that you give is tremendous and a big encouragement to us. And we believe the contribution that you have made will go far. It will be far-reaching in improving the services of the hospital. So thank you, sir. So at this moment, I also would like to thank the presence of Chef Malviya sir, also IAS Additional DC, who is also here. So sir, I hope that in the future that we can work together also in improving the services of the hospital. And also I would like to thank the presence of Sir Peter Pasa also, MCS, who is also here. Thank you, sir, for coming. Thank you so much. And also I would like to thank the presence of DMHO sir, Dr. Sheila, who is very open to the ideas that we as doctors we share.